Baidoa, once the epicenter of Somalia's devastating humanitarian crisis, now stands as a city brimming with renewed hope despite a history of poor infrastructure and economic hardship. Due to the prolonged and recurring drought, the city has seen a massive influx of internally displaced communities, IDPs seeking shelter and livelihoods. On the other hand, the 3 decades-long conflict has left Somalia's infrastructure in ruins. In response to the crisis, the International Labour Organization ILO launched the Creating Decent Work Opportunities project to address the urgent need for employment and economic stability for internally displaced people, returnees, and local communities.
This initiative, funded by German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development through KfW Development Bank, is creating real opportunities for employment and economic growth through the construction of roads and the rehabilitation of key economic sectors such as the markets.
Gaji hanagadi berogano abarsadeen saasahan kanagani intii anatan hagalay shaqadan anatal idari eeda an ka mahadsan horlaan uladay qadaayeen waa qoloqlay bola ka amasaday intii anata shaqadan galeen alxamdulillah eeda an ka mahadsanyi aragdayo bola baan ka shaqaysadon horar laha in ku diro walaaga in iyalka yeeshooda an ka beegdo hay fariiqka anadan ka beegdo.
The project focuses on 3 core areas: building and rehabilitating roads, market and drainage system, creating job opportunities for IDPs, youth, women and people with disabilities, and strengthening local institutions to ensure long-term sustainability. Somalia is home to 1.1 million internally displaced persons, IDPs, while another 1 million Somali refugees are scattered across the Horn of Africa.
Many dream of returning home, and between 2014 and 2018, nearly 87,051 refugees made their way back to Somalia, 95% of them from Kenya.
For those who return, finding work is a daily battle. However, since the inception of the International Labour Organization ILO's project, thousands have been employed, providing them with dependable income and changing their lives.
Around 9 roads has been constructed across Baidoa, and it has been finished. This project is being implemented through employment intensive investment program approach. It is aligned with the ILO International Labour Standard and World Bank. So basically, the initiative is in line with the all procedure and requirement for labour standard.
International Labour Organization ILO's project not only creates job opportunities but also supports road users and small business owners.
كوتي مركز هم بحث تكوني جواسي ميل رايس مركي هذا ميل جدي ميل كان جاتي ده يو بستيو هذا فيرد لكن ميل رايس هذا ما أنتي ميل رايس وداي حالكي صعب أنتي أفرتوك شنتوك اللي كنا قدروا يا ميل رايس سويل اللي نشجع
ولا تهال ده سيتي ميل رايس إيه ده اللي بنايني ودده ميل رايس اللي بقى قبني ميل موتاني مرايم ولا هاينا روب بيوك روب كوي ميل قاسيت نهني دي جاوني إذا كان هلوجا أنا ساسا فدك شيلاني هذا ميل رايس إسبدل كموقد ما يبغى ودي ده نادي في ميل والبعض فاس موتها كين كلاس.
Baidoa's local administration, in collaboration with the International Labour Organization ILO, has played a key role in ensuring fair employment and long-term sustainability.
المشروع ما يبغى مهمة قارة ما يبغى ينلي بمجال بيدو مدي ما يبغى هالنفيري وسام يبغى أبو راهي اسكو حركة ما يبغى بلشو إنك أصل IDPs يو دتك ما يبغى برك عياش دتك ما يرهيس أهل البلد أو ما يبغى أكسس بدن لنصوبي سمجال ما يبغى يهنديرن والله ما يبغى ما يرهيس وتاريخ ما يبغى حصدون تو وحياة ما يبغى دولة جرمال كي ما يبغى صوبي مجال بيدو إيد ما يبغى لندير جليهايو برك عياش يو ما يرهيس دتكوس كميونتي يو دمانتيو إيدن كفرح سين ما يبغى
وزارة الشغل يربح بالشدة ما يلتقى أو واحد كترسم وزارة ولا راو واحدة بتقبك الشقالها مركون وزارة ما يبغى خوين فايل مرويل بكرمار يماي كلتا يو سيدلين فيري لهاي أما لين caafimaadka iyo badqabsha shaqaalaha wadooyinka ka shaqeeya marka wasaaradda qaybiga ku qaadadaas.
For many, this project has provided more than just roads. It has restored dignity, mobility, and opportunity. Thanks to International Labour Organization ILO,
German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development through KfW Development Bank,
and the Somali government, Baidoa is not just rebuilding its roads, it's rebuilding hope.